Ever felt like a circus juggler trying to keep your hormones in balance? Well, you're not alone. Hormonal balance is crucial to women's health, acting like the ringleader in the circus of your body. It's a delicate act, and when it's off, symptoms like mood swings, fatigue, weight gain, and insomnia can come barreling into the ring. It's like trying to juggle flaming torches while riding a unicycle. But don't worry, ladies, we've got some natural remedies that can help you juggle those pesky hormones like a pro. Your body is like a high-performance vehicle. It needs the right fuel to run smoothly. And what's the right fuel, you might ask? A balanced diet, my friends. A diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins and healthy fats. Think of your plate as a colourful canvas and you're the artist. Splash on a variety of fruits and veggies. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that help regulate hormones. Now let's add some lean proteins to our masterpiece. Foods like salmon not only provide protein, but are also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to promote hormonal balance. And let's not forget our dear friends, the healthy fats. Avocados, flax seeds and nuts are not just delicious, they're also hormone superheroes. They help in the production and balance of hormones. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember to paint it with balance. Remember, a well-fueled body is a well-balanced body. Exercise isn't just about looking good in those skinny jeans. It's also a powerful hormone regulator. Now, how does this work? When we engage in regular physical activity, our body responds by reducing stress levels. Stress, as we know, is a notorious hormone disruptor. So, by reducing stress, we're helping our bodies maintain a more balanced hormone profile. Exercise also promotes better sleep, and we all know a good night's sleep can make a world of difference. When we sleep, our bodies go into repair mode, fixing the day's wear and tear and rebalancing our hormones. Now you might think, I don't have time for a rigorous workout regimen, but fear not. Simple exercises like walking, yoga or Pilates can do the trick. These can be easily incorporated into your daily routine without much fuss. So ladies, let's get moving for a happier hormonal balance. Mother Nature knows best when it comes to balancing hormones. Now let's delve into the world of herbal remedies and supplements, shall we? Ashwagandha, for instance, is a potent adaptogenic herb that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It's known to help your body manage stress more efficiently and may contribute to a healthier hormonal balance. Then we have the maca root. This little powerhouse from Peru is packed with essential nutrients and has a reputation for boosting libido and increasing endurance. It's also believed to regulate hormones, making it a perfect addition to your wellness routine. And let's not forget about the importance of supplements. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in hormone production. Likewise, omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fish and flax seeds, are vital for maintaining hormonal health. With a little help from Mother Nature, you can keep your hormones in check. So let's embrace the power of nature together and strive for a healthier, more balanced life. Ladies, it's time to put your feet up and relax. Your hormones will thank you. Stress, that pesky intruder, can wreak havoc on your hormones. But fear not, rest and relaxation are your trusted allies in this battle. Deep breathing exercises, a quiet moment of meditation, or a good night's sleep can do wonders. These simple techniques can help restore hormonal harmony. So remember, balancing your hormones isn't just about what you eat or how much you exercise. It's also about taking time to relax and recharge. Now go out there and balance those hormones like a pro. And there you have it, natural remedies to keep your hormones in balance. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? We've explored the power of a balanced diet, brimming with vital nutrients and vitamins. We've delved into the world of exercise, your body's very own hormone regulator. We've taken a tour of herbal remedies and supplements, nature's gift to our hormonal health. And let's not forget the importance of rest and relaxation, the unsung heroes in the battle against hormonal imbalance. Now it's over to you. We encourage you to try these remedies and see the difference they can make to your health and well-being. Remember, our bodies are unique, and what works for one might not work for all. So, experiment, explore, and discover what makes your hormones hum. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And feel free to comment on your thoughts and experiences with hormonal balance. Until next time, keep those hormones in check.